Hello traders, we got to the end of the week. Today is Friday and we just finished our live trading session. This week we had few different trading sessions. Of course, we made different profits. I would like to share with you the most important information. This week we were able to make in total of $15,000 profit during live trading sessions. I'm gonna share with you our plans. We're gonna go through them quickly because you can check the previous days on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you which plans we had this week, and the most important thing, I'm gonna show you what worked and how did we make this kind of profit this week. Hopefully next week will be much better. It's not the greatest week, but I think $15,000, it's still not too bad during our live trading session. So let's start from Monday, I think. We're going to start from Monday. I'm going to share with you some screens. Let me just open this plan. So you can see this trade was made by Pablo, $880 full take profit. Next, we got, it's the same trade using AI volume indicator. We are using different kind of tools during live trading sessions, different strategies. This one was based on AI volume indicator. Okay, another one, another trade made by Pablo, a smaller profit, but quick one. Took only a few minutes for full take profit. Another one, yeah, you can see full take profit down here, $338. Another one made by Pablo. This trade was made not using AI volume indicator. It was based just on liquidity from the previous highs. So he entered the trade just in liquidity zone, and you can see the trade was heading to take profit. Also, another trade, $620 using AI volume indicator, was pretty good. Pretty good. You can see full take profit very quick, maybe 5-7 minutes, and he hit full take profit. Okay, right here also we can see the trade that was pretty nice. $700 stop loss minus 7, take profit of $800. Quick trade also. Here you can see plan on GBP USD made by Tomek, because we got different traders during our live trading sessions. Not only I'm trading, also Pablo is trading, Pavel, Tomek, Veronica also made some plans during our sessions. So that plan made Tomek. Another one made by Tomek on NZD USD. Then we had Euro USD. I think this trade, this plan was made by me. Not every plan we could use on our live trading sessions. You know, sometimes we make a plan and market is going different direction, and that is normal. That's why we are making plans, so we are ready. We are waiting for a specific situation on the market, for the right conditions, so we can enter the trade. So we need to make sure that this trade is gonna work. Of course, there are some situations that we think the trade is gonna work and we hit stop losses. But guys, this is the part of this business, stop losses. I think on this week we had only one stop loss on live trading session, so I think it was pretty good. Next, we got here another plan on Euro USD basic sell using Asian liquidity, liquidity from Asian session. Next, we got another trade on British pound. This one worked perfectly, but unfortunately, we couldn't use that plan because we had some news, high impact news in United States. So I removed that order, but the price got straight into the area where we wanted to enter the position and the price dropped down. But sometimes it is like this. Okay, next one, using liquidity not only from Asian session, but we had some liquidity from previous day also. So we tried to use that. This trade on DAX, Yes, with this trade on DAX, I think we hit stop loss on this one. I'm not sure. We need to check that, but I think yes. I think yes. Okay, guys. So that was Monday. Let's have a look at Tuesday then. Now you can see on Tuesday also trade made by Pablo. You can see profit. The trade was open during live trading session. Another one, nearly $920 made. I think the trade was closed in full take profit, or maybe yes, that is the beginning of this trade. Then the price went up and up nearly full take profit. I'm not sure if this trade finished with profit. I'm pretty sure yes. Okay. And here the Pablo was using price action, and also you can see another trade made by Pablo, trade open, secured later on. Break even. Another trade opened by Pablo using liquidity with take profit for $1,000. Next one here, GC means it was gold futures contracts, a nice trade also. Then this plan was made by me using Asian liquidity session. We couldn't open this trade because the price went opposite, so that's fine. Okay, next week hopefully it's gonna be better. Over here, there was a chance we had a plan. I didn't open this position, but this plan was made during our live trading session. So I didn't place the order because I was out of the office, so I couldn't place that order, but plan worked perfectly. And you can see we should have full take profit, but unfortunately, I cannot watch the market 24 hours. So sometimes we're going to miss some plans. Okay. Next one, British pound. We were waiting for the price to get to the volume zone and point of control. I think the price went down, so we couldn't use that trade. This one here, I think is yes, I think it's German 30. This is the trade where I hit stop loss. The plan was made. You could see that plan earlier. I'm gonna show you. It's not here. No, not here. But I've entered the position and the price went opposite. What can I say? Sometimes it is like this. It's part of the game. All right, next one. Another plan. Oh, this is the sorry, that was not German index. This was crude oil. So I've entered the position using price action cycle strategy. Everything worked perfectly, but you can see the price went opposite. Okay, that's fine. And this plan on gold, we tried to use that, but I think gold dropped down, so we couldn't use this plan. That was Tuesday, so a lot of trading plans. We had some more, but these are the main ones we were using. Now I'm going to show you Rafał trade from Tuesday also. Rafał, he was using AI volume indicator and forecaster together, and you can see the forecaster was showing that the price will get here and drop, and that is the place where Rafał placed the order. And also you can see price position was open and the price was heading to full take profit, and finally, like you can see on the screen, we got to full take profit. That's how it works. Okay, that was Rafał on Tuesday, and let's move to Paweł. Paweł on Wednesday, sorry. Paweł on Wednesday. Gold. He made $9,000 on gold during live trading session. That was his plan on live trading session. On gold, he was expecting that the price will break through. He waited for the pullback. He entered the position, and that's how he made $9,042 profit. That was the best trade of this week. Okay. Next, let me show you some other trades. We got over here plan for Euro USD using Asian session liquidity. Two different plans on the same asset. Then this is also Euro USD, because sometimes we're changing the plan. If the conditions on the market are changing, we are changing our plan. We try to be flexible. So even if we are looking for the short position, sometimes we change the mind and we are looking for long position. We need to watch the market. If the situation is changing, of course, we need to change our thinking, maybe change the plan or change the strategy. Okay. Next, we got here GBP USD. I made profit of $1,747. Basically, the plan worked perfectly. We got to full take profit, but because the price went very close, I said after 90%, I will close. I think it was here. Yes, it was here. Sorry, guys. We got to full take profit, but my trade didn't close because of the spread. Okay, sometimes it is like this. So when the price started reversing, I closed it with the profit of $1,747. I should have 5,000, but I was unlucky because of the spread. It is what it is. That's the market, guys. Okay, next one. Next one, that was the beginning of this trade. You can see the trade was set 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio using ALLin ASAP strategy. The trade was activated, and later you can see what happened. Okay. DAX index, we had a plan to go up. Unfortunately, we missed one candle because we were waiting for one specific candle. I think the market done something like this, that they went down, up, we seen micro rotation, and I was trying to enter the position after a bullish candle, but unfortunately the price dropped down, so we were not able to open this trade. Okay. Next one, plan on USD CHF. I think this is still in the game, so probably we're gonna use this maybe next week, maybe on Monday. We will see. So this plan, we got some plans left from this week. We're gonna probably be able to use them next week because the plans were made from higher time frames, and also we can use it sometimes next day or like next week. Okay. Pullbacks on crude oil. Yes, we were waiting for this situation, but unfortunately, I think the price dropped also. Okay, that was Wednesday. Let's go to the next day. Let's go to yesterday. Yesterday, yes. That was morning plan on British pound using Asian session liquidity. The next one was on US 500. We are trying to use our AI volume indicator. Unfortunately, the price went straight up without any pullback, so we couldn't use this plan. Next, we got gold. We were focused on liquidity because there still is a lot of liquidity because gold is ranging for a few days already. So we were waiting for the price to get into liquidity zone, and we wanted to go up. Unfortunately, the price got to this level here. They bounced and they went straight up. So unlucky on this one. And this is gold spots. Here we had nice plan, but we couldn't use that plan. I think the price was dropping too fast and we removed that order. Okay, that was before that trade, what I just show you right now. So I removed that order because the price was heading too fast. And that's why I remove it. And that was a good decision because we would hit stop loss. So sometimes we need to react when we see conditions changing on the market. Okay. And let's check some more trades. Okay, over here we got 4-hour time frame, I guess. Yeah, Euro USD, I think this plan is still valid, but we need to wait for the price to drop to that area. This is some imbalance from, I think, November, and there is some nice liquidity zone and also bottom of rotation channel. So we are trying to get 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but we probably gonna try to use that plan next week. Next, we got crude oil. We were waiting for the price to drop, and basically, price I think dropped down. But yes. Next one, I'm not sure which instrument is it. Sell side liquidity. I think it's gold. Yes, this is gold. Like I said before, we were waiting for the price to enter the liquidity zone. I think we even set pending order, but the price went straight up. Yes, like you can see over here. And let's check current day. So today, Friday, we made some plans in the morning. Afternoon session was quite boring. Market was a little bit tricky, so we didn't open any position, but it's okay. In the morning, we had also planned for Euro USD. I think this is still valid because this area is still there, imbalance is still there, and we can try to use it. Also, we got some support resistance zone, which makes this level even stronger. So after getting over there, we can look for fail swing and enter the position. After the next one, using liquidity, unfortunately, the price went up and then down. So we couldn't use this plan. That's okay. Like I said, sometimes, you know, market is going opposite direction. That's okay. That plan was made in the morning for afternoon session. So that's what exactly happened. British pound were up, down, and here we were waiting for the perfect moment to enter the position, but we couldn't find that perfect moment, and we can see the price is dropping down. Good. What about gold? Gold also is dropping down. All right. So anymore, I think that's it. One more here on British pound. This area will be valid maybe next week because the price didn't get to that high volume edge point of control, support resistance zone, and top of rotation channel. So we're gonna look for that trade next week. So we got few plans left for next week, ready, waiting for us to make some profits, guys. So I just want to say this week wasn't too bad. Could be better. Of course, it could be better. We could make some more money, but I think we made $15,000 in 1 week. It's pretty good. Next week, hopefully, we're gonna make much more money. I'm thinking about $50,000. Maybe we're gonna be able to get even to $100,000 in 1 week. But as you know, market sometimes it's a bit tricky, and 1 week can give you $10,000, next week can give you some more, and probably we're gonna have some week when we're gonna be in loss. Maybe we will see. Hopefully not, but because we are trying to pick the best plan. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have some nice profits. And the good thing is, guys, you can see all of our trades during live trading sessions. So when you join us, you can see how we make a plan, how we open the position, and how we get profits. So everything is transparent. You can see all of that on our live trading sessions every single day from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m., 2 p.m. We got some sessions 5 p.m. And also there will be session on Sunday. We're gonna trade on Bitcoin. So guys, if you like this summary of our week, if you want to see how we trade live, remember to click subscribe and like button, and you can contact us also if you want to join us, our community, be part of our community, and you want to join every single session, you can do that. Just contact us and we're gonna help you out. Guys, thank you for this week. I think it was pretty good, and I wish you all the best and have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday. So take care, guys.